All right. Well, so we're ready to begin. The three of us, so Nicole and Romina, welcome. And
Okay.
I hope that we have fun doing this. And this is my first time, as I said before. I have never used Zoom, and it seems easy, but I think that we have to press lots of buttons here in order
Yeah.
to something done. I had prepared actually a PowerPoint that I don't know how to show it to you because I want to share the screen. Ah, here it is. Let's see if you can actually see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so it's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Good, wonderful. I'm so glad. I don't know how I did that, but I just put share the screen, and as I had
Okay.
opened the PowerPoint, then I had to choose. Yes, I had to click. Remember, you could see the YouTube video, and then
Yeah.
on the other side, I had the PowerPoint. Okay,
Okay.
that's good. And the problem here is, there it goes. I thought that it wasn't working. Well, I put here the objectives is that we should try to use these tools that Carol recommended, like uploading a new PowerPoint. That's what I'm trying to do here. All I did for you to know, I
Yep.
prepared a PowerPoint and I shared it with you. And so when you have the screen, I pressed on the PowerPoint. If I
Good.
press on the video, then you can all see the video.
Okay.
Fantastic. Then we'll try some of the other features, okay? Like, I don't know how to create a poll, really. Okay, I had an idea of asking you, for example, we have to discuss some questions. I don't know if you had a chance to read the questions of the task.
Not really.
Okay. That was the idea that we discussed. For example, it says, what tutor skills are needed to plan and deliver effective synchronous classes with students? Actually, my intention was to do a poll, but when I tried this beforehand, I didn't find this feature, this tool, actually. Yes. So
Okay.
if you can see the questions there, what challenges do
Mm-hmm.
you expect to face when video conference with your own students, and how will you overcome these challenges? I think that maybe give you a minute to think which question you would like to discuss.
I think number 2 is fine.
Yeah, me too. I think the challenges, since we are all being exposed to this,
Yeah.
and it's a
It's
challenge.
our challenge today, isn't it?
Yeah. It's been a challenge already. Yeah.
So, what challenges do you think?
Well, first of all, the new technology. Said it before, I'm not very good with technology, so I'm always scared that something's not going to work properly. That's why, well, you saw me, I logged in like 15 minutes in advance, trying to figure out how it worked. So, yeah, I think that would be the biggest challenge, the technical aspect of it.
Yes, I think that and it's a very important challenge because maybe our students even know a bit more about technology, but we are the ones who have to handle this situation. For example, what I'm doing here with you, I'm very honest. I said it before. I had never used this, so for me, this is trial and error. Yes. And what about you, Romina? What challenges do you think?
I think that in my case, the biggest challenge could be trying to organize the video conferencing, like actually getting students to participate in the video conference, because I know that nowadays almost everybody has a computer, but in some context, that kind of thing actually doesn't happen. Like they don't have access to internet. It could be difficult for them to connect at a certain time of the day. So for me, and during this course, that's the biggest challenge, to actually have the time and to prepare the video conference and to get the students to participate.
That's right. I think that synchronous classes are quite difficult, and especially in our context. Yes?
Yeah.
I don't know, Romina, maybe you could tell us, because Nicole and I work in the same place, so we know our context, and we have classes online, but to work with a video conference, I think it would be fantastic.
Yeah, but it's not really.
Yeah, in the theory, it sounds really good.
Yeah, because where I work, the internet connection is not really good. So, for example, actually being able to do a video conference from work at my office would be impossible, because the connection itself is really bad. Like it takes 3 minutes to charge just one page. So I don't know it, and the amount of students that we have, it's also a factor. So, for example, the smallest group that I have had so far, it's 25. And it's not that small for a video conferencing. So if I had more, I have a colleague that has 45 students for a blended course. So he would have to divide the class in 4 and do the same video conference 4 times in order to actually get students to participate and to engage and everything.
Yeah, I don't think it's, sorry, I just, I don't know if it's, in our case, if it's justified, because we still see them. It's a blended modality, so we still get to see them at least once a week. So the synchronous part, in our case, I don't know if it's, if it's justified. I understand for the purpose of the training, of learning how to do it, that we do it. But to be honest, I don't see myself doing synchronous activities and video conferences like this. I think I would tend to go for an asynchronous activity. Yes,
I get your point, because we've got 50-50 actually. Well, our students have to devote some hours also to do this online, but it's I think that we could do video conference with them. Because even if you have lots of students, if there is, for example, this software that, I don't know if it's called software or application, Zoom, yes? It's an app.
I think that it's an app, yeah.
Okay. You can actually have from 3 to 50 participants. So you can have these breakouts and have students work maybe in threes or in pairs, but it's quite difficult until you get used to this, because I imagine myself like at the NASA, like everywhere. So at the beginning it might be kind of blurry, even instructions. But I think that we could do something, but our problem actually is the time. Because we have our face-to-face classes and also these blended courses, and it's quite difficult, isn't it? Yes?
Yeah.
Do you agree on that?
Yeah, I agree on that. Yeah. Especially if you have tons of students. So
I'm going to show you a feature I found here with the PowerPoint, okay? And it says give control of the mouse and the keyboard to, yes? And I'm just going to press Nicole. There you are. Yes. Now you've got control of the keyboard and of the mouse. Can you move it around and see what you can do with it?
Yes. So now I'm going to have the first question, second, third, fourth. I can, let's see if I can change the slide. No, I can't.
No, me neither. I can't do it.
No, Romina, you don't have the control.
Okay.
Yes?
No, I can just move the mouse around, but I cannot change the slide.
Okay. Well, it's supposed to allow you. With these things, for example, honestly, I don't know if it's a problem that we are not doing. There you are. You changed it.
Yes.
Maybe it's a bit slow.
Yeah, I found them there, but yes, now I can.
Oh, good. Yes. Fantastic. There you have a pencil. Would you like to, for example, make a tick in upload few PowerPoint slides?
Right.
Wow.
Okay, that's my dog. Sorry.
He's also participating.
Okay.
Good.
I'm messing around with your slides. Sorry.
Yes, wonderful. Just do, please.
Let me see what else can I do.
It says opciones de flecha, maybe.
Flecha. There we go.
Yes, that's an arrow for Carol if she sees this.
Okay.
Oh, look, that's an important point.
I don't know.
Try to remember what's going on. Because one of you two will have to do the summary.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm going to wait a minute. Now what I'm going to do is give the control remote to Romina, so Romina can actually do some drawings or write something. Okay, Nicole?
Okay.
All right. Remember that we have to give it some time because I think it's a bit slow. I don't know. But Nicole, sorry,
yes.
Romina, now you're in control.
Yeah, I think that I am. But
there you are.
Yeah. So over there, if I have the pen. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
There. So there you can write the name of the person who's writing the summary later.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
Okay. And besides this command, do you have one of text before after the arrow? Oh, there you can erase.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wonderful.
But I don't know if you have text. Like you have.
No, but there is another one beside the pen at the bottom. That one that doesn't work. What is that? Just
that
to go.
Just to go to the next slide or go back.
All right. I thought the arrows did that, but apparently.
Yeah. I mean, the arrows actually do that as well. But over here, for example, you can just close the presentation.
Okay. Yes. And can you lead us to another question? To the slide where we have the other questions.
Yeah.
Which one? Maybe here you could erase the one that we already talked about. Or take.
I don't know if you can erase the whole thing, but I could just mark it.
Yeah, but try to do something. Yes.
Like that. So that one's ready. Yeah.
Yes. Good. Yeah. All right.
So I don't know which one you want to discuss.
I leave it up to you. You have 4 there. You can choose one. It says, maybe, I don't know if you like the third one, what sorts of activities can you carry out with your students using these tools? For example, how would you use the PowerPoint with your students? I mean, if you have the time, where you actually could have enough time and students actually participating in the video conference, what will you do?
Probably introduce what we're going to do, like have them, I don't know, today we're going to do this and that, and then we're going to continue with this activity, and finally we are going to conclude by doing this activity. So like kind of a summary of what we're doing. That could help them, you know, organize themselves and having the topic. So pretty much as you are doing right now, you have the list with the questions so we can follow and we can, all of us can participate and comment on that.
All right. Yes. Fine. Nina, what's the name of your dog? What's the name of your dog?
Mookie.
Mookie.
Yes. And there is another dog outside, and she actually
I see.
dog, so that's
You
why
want to
she's
go and play.
It's okay, it happens. You saw the BBC guy with the children.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Well, I completely agree with you, Nicole, and also that when you have a video, a PowerPoint, you can also have these questions and you can have summaries, maybe, you know.
Yeah, you could do vocabulary activities.
Vocabulary activities.
Like you could actually give the control to one student and they could circle the word or something like that.
That's right. Yes. Actually, I had thought of showing you these questions and then having a poll to say, for example, okay, what question would you like? Number 1, 2, 3, who votes for one? And so to get these like more democratic way to discuss the questions using these elements. I don't know if you actually have seen, let me see. I'm going to try out a new function. Yes.
Okay.
Let me see if I can. Well, this was the video. This is interesting because can you see the video?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Let's just watch it. It's very short. It's like 30 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How was that?
I could actually see the video, but I couldn't listen to the audio.
Really? And
Yeah.
Nicole?
No, I couldn't either. I just saw the images, but I couldn't hear anything.
Oh, that's a drawback. Yes, because actually the video has audio, so because it would be good for listening and to get vocabulary. What did she say? Paraphrase, for example, what she said. How would you have said this? Maybe with other type of students. Yes. I wanted to try out. Here I have where it says whiteboard. This is in Spanish, by the way. Yes. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's see. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
the one.
Yeah.
Okay, and here, for example, you can see that you're looking at the same that I am looking.
I've
got a bar.
Yes.
With a here at the top. Yes. Where is my mouse right now?
At the top.
Yes.
Middle, more or less.
Okay,
Middle
so you can you see this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, girls.
Oh, fantastic. I have here, this is like a whiteboard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. So what I can do is write text. I can draw, and I have, I would like to, let me see.
Where did you get that? How did you?
On the very top where you've got the microphone, the video, the participants, then I've got new function. I don't know if you have the same.
No.
I
Okay.
think that because you were the one who was in charge of the meeting, you
Yeah,
can see all
probably.
those. Yeah, but if you go to the bottom of the screen, it says compartir. So,
Yes.
so over there, you also have the option of a whiteboard.
Okay. And well, here this is just like a whiteboard. Okay. So you can write the text. You can draw. For example, you can choose, and you got some fixed images that you can move around like this. Yes.
Okay.
You can change the color. Let me see. It doesn't change. Wonderful. There. No, I can't do much more. I don't know why, really. Okay. But you can use this as a whiteboard. All right.
All right.
Maybe to answer something, or how do you spell if you don't want to, if they don't really understand, maybe you spell it out and then you write it there on the whiteboard.
Yes.
It could be, yes. Let me see if I can give you the control of Romina. Let me see. Control remote here. Nicole,
Yes.
let's see if you have the command of the screen. At least your mouse is moving.
Yes, I can move this, but then
Can you click on the objects there? Oh, there you are. Then you can write something. Romina, can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Wonderful.
where can you, for instance, this, where did you get that?
I got it from the top of the screen, okay? I don't know if you could move your mouse further up to the top, maybe, because when I click at the top, it comes down in my screen, the commands, let's say.
Okay, yeah, no, I don't get anything down.
And no, there's no way.
No, all I get is, because here at the very top it says usted está controlando la pantalla, and I can just move that sign.
Yeah.
Okay, if you click on it,
have the commands.
If I click where?
no, if you click on that command, like usted está controlando la pantalla, if you click on it, it doesn't do anything.
No.
Could you try with the right side of the mouse to see if you know that sometimes you can insert text or something? Does it do anything?
Not over. Not on the side. And let me see mid screen. No. No, it doesn't give me the option.
Okay. It's like you can control here what I have, like moving things, but it doesn't give you the...
Yeah, I don't have like a keyboard, the one you said.
That's right.
Yeah.
Let me see one thing. Okay, there we are. It says, for example, here at the bottom, now you should have a chat. Can you see the chat?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Can we try the chat? What's your, I'm writing.
Hi, ladies, yeah.
Can you see that on screen?
Yes.
Yes? Like actualizar a Pro? Because it says here, your free meeting will end in 10 minutes.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes, okay. Well, I'm sorry, but I cannot pay for this. um,
It's okay.
it's yes, I know. Well, I think that at least we tried to do something.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
we use this tool of trying to share the screen. Yes, we got the chat also, and
The whiteboard.
unfortunately, I mean, because I don't have the knowledge of how to do other things, so I just tried that out. But for example, me as the monitor, I have some more commands that you have at the moment of working, all right? Like share more things, but I cannot give you the complete control. I don't know how to do that. You see, you could use the whiteboard, but you couldn't see the keyboard, let's say, yes?
Yeah.
And well, those are things that we'll have to learn, I assume.
Yeah, I think, well, you know, practice makes perfect, so
Yes.
that's it. You have to
But,
keep trying.
I think that, well, you were great at coming. I really thought that I would be alone, and I said, what am I going to do here? So I really appreciate your patience also, because I told you I did not know how to use this, and
Well,
I just
but
tried
I
to.
think you did great. This was something that it was unexpected to you. You suddenly had to do it, and I think that, I don't know, at least for my part, I don't know if I would have been able, but you organized everything and you took the time to do it. So thank you for that. And I think it went well. And I also think that you had the right way to approach it by being completely honest. So we can all try and see how to do it and how to help out. So that's something that it's really important. We don't have to know everything. We cannot know everything. So that's okay.
Definitely. And well, what I take from this actually is that we need to do things. I mean, I've learned how to share a PowerPoint with you and the whiteboard. So I know that I can give you, like, if I have something prepared previously, we could work with language or things like that with students. So I really want to continue doing this. Maybe not with my students, but maybe with colleagues, like trying to, you know, to investigate a little bit more, be kind of adventurous here, yes? And before we finish, after thanking you for being here, yes, is to see who is going to do the summary.
Okay,
I think it's better that before it ends, because we just have some.
Like 6 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 6
But I
minutes.
could
and 28
upload it
seconds.
tomorrow. Yeah, I could upload it tomorrow in the afternoon, around 3. So yeah, I could do the summary.
I mean, it ends tomorrow, so you have the whole day.
At midnight. Yeah.
The thing is that you have to do. Okay, Romina, thank you. What you have to do is actually do the summary of what we did. Yes?
Basically, yes.
Basically what we did, the problems that we had, and anything that you find appropriate. And what I have to do is send the link or upload the link to this video conference, because I'm recording it, and so automatically it gives me like a file that I can share somehow.
Okay.
I will have to learn right now how to do that.
How to do it.
As soon as I do it, maybe in the forum, because this has to be uploaded in the forum, I put the link. So if you have to review things or anything, we can do that.
Okay.
Yes?
We can watch ourselves.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So we can say goodbye now. We did our best.
Yeah, we did. Thank you so much, Angie, for arranging everything.
Yeah, okay, you're welcome.
Thank you for doing this, and Romina as well for you know, writing the summary. So thank you, ladies, very much.
Okay.
And, we'll see each other around, hopefully.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.